what is this? I'm on a different TV, or I'm at a different location? No guys, I'm at my same home, and this is the Smart Cloud TV Imperial, but guys, a different browser. This is an open browser guys, and I'm gonna show you how to get this awesome and cool browser guys. It's a Google browser, as you can see, so it has all the stuff then that you need right here. It has YouTube, Netflix, and TikTok, and a variety of stuff. So guys, I'm gonna show you how to get this on your Smart Cloud TV Imperial. The name is Open Browser, and I'm gonna show you how to get it. So guys, I will see you. What's up everybody, you know it's your boy Odele back with another video guys, and welcome back to my channel, welcome back to another video. Guys, I hope you like, comment and subscribe and hit that post notification bell to get notified whenever I post a video. Alright guys, this video I'm gonna show you how to install Open Browser on your Smart Cloud TV Imperial guys. Yes guys, this is an open browser much like this, but not like this, but is an open browser that has a lot of features and stuff that you can use. And alright guys, so I'm gonna show you how to get open browser on your Smart Cloud TV Imperial. But first thing first guys, I want to give you a little heads up. I want to give you an heads up guys on some stuff that I have come upon while I was watching my TV and doing stuff and trying to get content for you guys. I was on my browser and I downloaded something on my yes guys, I was on my TV and it was on the page, and I turned off the TV because it was in the night, and there was a black, the screen go black, and the light, this light, blue light, should turn to red when the TV is off. The light was blue and the TV had some color line on the screen like it was broken. Alright guys, so that's it guys. So do not turn off your TV while you're on a browser, on YouTube, or any other apps that you have installed on your TV. Guys, do not turn off your TV while you're on anything on your TV. I want you guys TV to last a little bit longer. There's nothing lasts long, only a good salvation. Alright guys, so today I'm going to show you how to install Open Browser on your Smart Cloud TV Imperial. Alright guys, and this is a Google. It's Google, so it has Google search. Okay guys, so if you want your TV browser, because my browser is this, I have a lot of browser. I have this as my browser, and I have Firefox as my browser. But today I'm gonna give you a different one. This one will be different. Okay guys, first thing first, we're gonna go on Play Store. We're gonna go on Play Store. If you don't got Play Store, I will leave a link at the top of this video, of the screen, where you can download this version of Play Store. Now guys, I'm searching for a version on Play Store, but I can't seem to get it to work, but I'm working on it guys. I'm working on a newer version to see how best it can install on my TV. But for this purpose guys, this is the one that you can download and use if you don't got any version. Okay, I'm working on a version guys. I'm working on the version to see how best it can install on my TV, because I tried to download the latest version but it's not working. So guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click on the Play Store right here. Okay, so when you come to this page right here, you can type in the name up here, or you can search on your browser. You can search on your browser and look. It's supposed to be somewhere down here, but it's a lot, guys. I don't think you will find it like this. I don't think you will find it like this, but I'm just gonna show you nonetheless on how to get it. Oh, here it is. This is it. You can search for it like that. You can search for it, guys, but or you can go up to the search bar, the quickest way, and search and click the search bar and type in open, or just type in OP, like you're spelling it out, and you will get this right here. You will get this right here, guys. So this is the one that we want. We're gonna click on install. We're gonna double click it. I'm using a mouse, guys. If you want to know how to use your mouse and keyboard on your TV, you can do that. You also should know that your TV is a computer. Your smart TV is a computer also. Okay, so we're gonna click on, you can read the description, guys, full description. You can read it if you want, and let me just click in here. You can read it if you want. It will give you all the information that you need to know about the app, and also the browser, and all these stuff. So it's open browser, guys. Open browser, safe and fast. Okay, so we're gonna click off. We're gonna click install, and we're gonna wait. So we're gonna wait. I'm using a mouse. You can use your remote. Just hover over it and click the OK button right here in the middle. Okay, so we're gonna wait for this to finish right here, and give it a couple seconds to finish, and then you will get the browser that I showed you on the first part. So when you reach this stage, it's installing, and there it is, quick and fast and easy. Now we're not gonna open it right here. We're not gonna open it right here, guys. We're gonna come off. Okay, let's come off, and we're gonna go to where this plus sign is. If you do not see this plus sign on your smart cloud TV, just delete, just remove any apps that you're not currently using. Any one of these that you're not using, even file that you're not using, you can just click on it and remove it by holding on the menu button right here. Hold it and then let it go. And I've highlighted Netflix. I don't want Netflix to go, so I remove it. I'm gonna do it again. Hold the menu button and then let it go, and then you will get that X right there, and then you will click OK, and then it will remove, and then you should see this right here, the plus sign. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna click the plus sign, and we're gonna search for the browser that we have downloaded, guys. Now this is the browser that we have downloaded right here. This is it, guys. We're gonna click on it one time with my mouse. I think it's 2 times or 1 time. With your remote, you will click, you will highlight it like this, and you will click OK. Okay, so we're gonna click OK, and it will give you this on the interface right here. Okay, now what we're gonna do, we're gonna click OK. We're gonna click OK, and it will give you this screen right here, and just give it a couple seconds to load up. There is it, open browsers, and give it a couple more seconds, guys, be patient. Okay, so now we're at this location right here. Now this right here, if you do not ready, guys, you can click accept, or you can skip. Okay, if you don't want your cookie to share, and because this will help you browse better, it will take your data and see how best it can help you. So if you're searching for YouTube videos, it will give you YouTube videos and all those stuff. But for this video, you can click accept if you want, but I'm gonna click skip for now. We're gonna click skip, and it will give you all this right here. So you see that there's Google right there, Facebook, Instagram, Amazon, YouTube, Twitter, and more. What we're gonna do, there's skip and there is next. We're gonna click next, and when we click next, guys, give it a couple seconds and wait for it. And there it is. There it is, guys. This is the browser, guys. Now you can stream and do anything that your browser would do, but this is an open browser. Okay, so basically, if you want if you want to go on YouTube, you will use this highlight and go across, and you will see you even have been right there: Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, and eBay. So there it is, guys, and you can click on any one of them and it will work. I'm just gonna show you just a small clip on it. I'm just gonna show you how it load up. So I've clicked on YouTube. You can click on any one of these and sign in to your Facebook, and you can sign into it. So there it is, guys. There it is. It's loading up. This is the loading screen right there. I like it. I like it. Okay, so just give it a couple seconds. My Wi-Fi is moving pretty slow, but yours is moving faster than mine. So here it is, and it will give you YouTube right there. Okay, it will give you YouTube. So there you see it. There you see it. YouTube is there. I'm just gonna click exit off. Okay, there it is. So guys, I want to thank you for watching. I want to thank you for subscribing. Guys, please, I'm asking you guys for your amazing support. Let's click off this. So guys, please like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that post notification bell to get notified whenever I post a video. And guys, I will see you in the next video.